Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another client tutorial. Alright, y'all, let's get started. So, I'm working with a client's fresh face, y'all. She was so excited to see me. She was like, oh my god, Briana, I want to cry. I'm like, girl, don't cry. Just finish check, get B, honey. So, I do this with all my clients, even myself. I put clear brow gel on the brows. I actually did off camera arch her brows because they were all over the place. So, I had to arch them. I always arch them if they don't come with them arch. Right now she's putting Black Radiance sugar scrub on her lips. I'm starting to do this now with my clients because most of the time their lips sometimes be really dry, and when it's time for the lipstick, I want them to be really smooth when I apply it. So I'm just doing a regular routine with the brows. Now I'm using number 4 and my Benefit Precisely brows in 3.75 in the beginning. Now you see, before I started doing her brows are already like thick and kind of filled in. So if you want to just fill in, if you have a client with brows like this and you want to just fill in the areas that are sparse and then conceal, because she really doesn't need that much. So I try my best to do that and kind of fill it in lightly. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my 212 brush from MAC and I'm concealing her brows. I always love my brows sculpted. I would never do a like natural brow because I can't. I mean, I can. Let me not say I can't. I can. I just prefer to do a sculpted brow. I love the sculpted look. I'm more into the Instagram looks. So now what I'm doing is cleaning underneath instead of the top. I already went ahead and put my P. Louise base on, or as I'm doing it now, I use number 5 for her, or number 6. 5 or 6, I will leave in the description right below, but I love their bases. Y'all will never hear me or see me using any other base unless it's like a comparable base tutorial or something like that, but I always use P. Louise hands down. I will forever use them. Their bases are so freaking bomb, y'all. Helen E is bomb too, but I just love P. Louise bases. I don't know. I just do. It's bomb forever. So I'm just patting in with my 142 concealer buffer brush. And now moving on to the shadows. Now with the shadows, I had a hard time. And I was like, damn, I'm about to wipe this off. But I did not want to start over because I take like at least 3 hours on my face, y'all. So y'all already know the deal. Y'all don't see with Briana Marie. So what I'm doing now is taking a shadow. I think this one was out of the Carnival palette with Stacey Marie. And I'm taking my blending brush to basically blend out the first shade. Now y'all know I don't do that. I always use a flat brush to apply the first shade, and then just get trembled on from here. Like I didn't get any really good footages of me really applying the transitions, so it's just like so many colors that I use. I can't even tell you which ones I use. Basically a dark brown, medium brown with a little orange in it, and orange yellowish color for the third shade, y'all. So this is my transition, and my client was asleep. Okay, as y'all can see, look, watch this. She is asleep, boy. She told me, she like, this is so comfortable. I am enjoying this. So we're not doing a cut crease, we're just doing a simple beat. I did go ahead and put some more concealer on the lid, or some base on the lid, and I tapped it out with my 142 concealer buffer brush, and then I went back in with my first shade, well, the last shade that I put, and to deepen up the crease. And I am going to use 2 pigments to put on her eyelids. So I use Peaches and Creams makeup and the pigment Pran, and then I used, what did I use? I used, I think, a J. La Rue pigment, y'all. I will leave in the description right below. Pigments are so bomb, and you definitely can use these for when you apply glitter. I know some people use the Glide base, but I think that's only when you cut. I never seen it used like this. It's the base number 98 or something like that, but they use it to cut the crease. Kiki Adams uses it, Be by Melissa uses it, Shorty Beats uses it, but I just use a regular P. Louise base and applied these pigments. So now I'm going back in with the deeper shade to basically combine the pigments and the outer V to close it up. So now I'm using in black gel liner in number 77, and I am going to make this wing liner. I did not use my liquid liner today. I just want to go in and play with this brush that I got from Michaels. Y'all, I've been loving Michaels brushes lately. It's like a thin, really thin, precise brush, and it got that wing done, baby. When I say it was precise, it was precise. You didn't even have to clean it up, but I did. For the glitter, in order for the glitter to stick on a non-cut crease base or just for any lid, I use my INV lash glue, what I use for the lashes. And I'm taking Kiki Adams glitter. She has a site called Glow Up Cosmetics. I will leave in the description right below. She also applies her glitters on her channel. This is in the shade Cardi Girl, and it's so bomb, y'all. I can't wait to use it on myself. Like, I'm so ready. She got so many glitters that she sent me. I was like, damn, okay, look, I'm about to create so many glitter looks with this. Like, it's so bomb. But yeah, this glitter is fire, y'all. Go check out her glitters. Bomb as hell. Okay, Kiki Adams, you did your thing, bitch. So now what I'm doing is taking the tape and basically removing the glitter and applying my mascara from Too Faced. This is Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to apply some lashes. I need to re-up on some more lashes for my clients because I don't know, it's just hard because some clients don't like big lashes, they don't like the 25mm lashes, some don't like these small ones, so it's just like it just be like so iffy. So I'm gonna have to get some 25mm lashes and like some medium ones, you know. So now I'm applying foundation. Now her foundation went on really good. I like the color of her foundation. The last tutorial I liked her foundation too, but it's just like we have to go a little darker. Yeah, these cameras do sometimes be playing tricks on you because in the store it be looking totally different. When you see it be like at least like one shade too light. But for this shade, I don't know what foundation I used on her. I think it was Sienna. Yes, it was Becca Sienna foundation, y'all. And I used Beauty Bakery concealer on her face. And to contour, I use my Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer in the shade Sable to do her face. I don't know, it's really easy for me to do like my color skin tone, like my color skin tone or deeper, because I mean I can get the concept of it, but when I do like a face that's lighter than me, sometimes it's hard for me. So don't think that I'm like this professional or something like that, because I struggle too with the face stuff, and that's something I definitely want to get better on. I definitely want to get better with that. I mean I do good, but it's just like, damn, I want it to be bomb, like really bomb. The eyeshadow, I mean, it's cool, you know, that's good to me, but the face, I really want the face to be bomb, because you know, if your eyebrows and your face is lit, okay, you can just throw on some shadow and it just be bomb, okay, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just basically doing what I do in every tutorial, same blend out method, everything. I do it myself, I do it on my clients. She was mad because her Fashion Nova package, y'all, did not come in time for her, okay, because it was Valentine's Day and she was trying to do some things with her boo. But her stuff didn't come, so she was getting mad, y'all. Oh, and this nose, I love doing the nose contour on my clients now, because I love how that nose be snatched. Oh, it be snatched. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all look at the rest of the tutorial. I will leave this stuff in the description right below if you want to see more client tutorials. Down in the comment section below. I use the same lip combo for all my clients, y'all. Even if they like wanted something different, they could tell me, but I will always go for nude. I don't know, just that thing. But I use Clarity, High Heatest liquid lipstick, and then Supernatural from Dose of Colors. You can use any brown liquid lipstick. The crayon case has a good one that I've been using lately as well. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I will show y'all the actual phone footage. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.